The Code Airbrush Machine is designed with advanced airflow function for seamless stain hybrid dye application. Crafted to create perfectly defined, long-lasting brows with precision and speed. Elevate your brow surface menu with advanced shade gradients and stunning ombre effects. Connect the power cord to the desktop compressor, plug into a power source, and switch on the power. Connect the hose to the desktop compressor. Attach the airbrush holders to the desktop compressor. Connect the airbrush to the hose. Connect the fluid cup to the airbrush. Press the power button to turn on the airbrush machine. Fill the fluid cup with a small amount of water and close the fluid cup cover. Adjust the air fluid control trigger to allow a 2 to 3 mm opening. Perform a test spray on a cotton round to check for even dispensing by pressing down on the airbrush trigger and pulling back slightly to run water through the airbrush machine. Test for 10 seconds across all pressure modes by pressing the mode button to move between settings. We recommend using your machine on the lowest setting for the stain airbrush service. Once you achieve an even spray, the airbrush is ready for use. Empty any remaining water from the fluid cup and dry with a tissue. Set the airbrush in the holder. The Code Airbrush Machine is now assembled and ready for use. To learn more about Code's professional services, visit www.browcode.com.